and gentlemen, please follow the safety card in the seat pocket in front of you and take note of the brace position. Please now fasten your seatbelt. It must be worn whenever the signs are on and is fastened, adjusted and released as shown. We also recommend that you wear your seatbelt at all times while seated. There are 8 emergency exits, 4 on each side of the aircraft. The cabin crew will now point out the exits nearest to you. Low level lighting will guide you to an exit. If oxygen is required, masks appear from panels above you. Pull a mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Use a strap to hold it in place. Please fill your own mask before helping others. The bags may not inflate. A life jacket is under your seat. If needed, remove it from its case and fit as shown in the safety card. Only inflate your life jacket when leaving the aircraft. Inflate it by firmly pulling the toggle or blowing into this tube. Each has a light and a whistle. Separate flotation aids are available for small children. Please now put your seat backs and tray tables upright and may wish you a pleasant flight.
Strapped in there. Yes, thank you.